Is your SafeLink SIM card not working? Let's troubleshoot step by step. First, power off your phone and reseat the SIM card. Make sure it's properly aligned in the tray. If that doesn't work, your SIM might be locked due to too many incorrect PIN entries. You'll need a PUK code. Contact SafeLink support at 1-800-867-7183 or through their app's website with your account details like the last 4 digits of your SSN. Delivery of PUK codes may take up to 48 hours. If the SIM is old or damaged, you might need a replacement. Request a free replacement SIM through the SafeLink app or website. Activation of new SIMs is increasingly handled digitally via the MyTrackPhone app, so make sure to download and use the app for activation. If you're trying to switch carriers and your SafeLink phone shows SIM locked, you'll need to unlock it. SafeLink phones are typically unlocked after 12 months of service. Visit the TrackPhone website and use their unlock portal. You'll need your IMEI number, which can be found in your phone's settings or by dialing *06. You can find your IMEI in settings or by dialing 06 on your phone. If the unlocking portal does not work, consider calling or visiting a TrackPhone corporate store. If you need a replacement SIM due to damage or loss, request one through the SafeLink app or website. Note that SafeLink is shifting towards eSIMs, especially in urban areas, so consider requesting an eSIM if your device supports it. If issues persist, particularly after network outages, consult SafeLink's online guides or contact their support. Regular app updates and checking signal strength can help prevent SIM issues in the future.